Hello ladies and gentlemen, hi guys and girls. I've been reading all of your comments lately saying, oh my god, what kind of 2x2 are you using? What the hell is wrong with you? So I ordered some nice speed cubes here, 2 to 5, and also some other random puzzles. So let's jump right into the unboxing. Alright, so I'm super excited about this. The package is super heavy, which can only mean one thing. It's packed with nice speed cubes and puzzles. So let's see what's in there. Alright, so that looks very promising already. So over here we have a Pyraminx. I'll just unbox everything first and then show you the puzzles individually. Maybe you can already see some stuff that you like. Alright. So I'm going to get this a little bit into order and then we can start. Okay, so here we have the puzzles. I'd say let's start with the random stuff first and save the best for last. So I got a Pyraminx. I have a Sensor one already, but wanted to try this one out. I've heard that it turns pretty bad, so let's see if I get the same feeling, if I manage to unbox it. Alright. This doesn't turn bad at all. So I think I would actually prefer this over the Sensor one, because it just, I don't know, it feels a bit better, and I like the shape of it better, that it's flat in the middle. I can maybe put in a picture of the Sensor one right here. So the first puzzle is the Pyraminx. Then over here we have 10 mini 3x3s from Sensor, the 46mm version. I'm going to use them for some easy 3x3 mods, because this channel exists since June 1st of the last year and we haven't made a single 3x3 modification somehow. I don't know how this could happen, but this seems to be the case. And just for you to know, I have this pseudo dice 5x5 from the Silly Build series, and I used the 46mm 3x3 as a base puzzle for the middle, just so you know. And I think you're not going to be mad if I only unbox one, because the other 9 look exactly the same. Alright, and here we have a Pyraminx. Let's see if it says what brand it is. I guess it says Little Magic there, so I'd say it's Yushin. I'm not much of a Pyraminxer, so this is just a random puzzle that I can give a coworker or so to play with. So we have 2 of the Pyraminxes here. Then what I'm really excited about is the Readyminx. This turns quite well too. It's a bit hard to grab the pieces, but that's just in the nature of the puzzle, I'd say. So I really like this. It's super smooth, and I guess if I would lube it a little bit, it would be even better. So I will probably give one of those to my mother. She can solve the Dino and Ready cube already, and said she wanted to have a new challenge. So Mom, if you're watching this, next time we meet, you are going to get this. So these are the 2 Readyminxes, and now it's time for the big cubes here. Or well, not the big cubes, because we're going to start with 2x2. This is the MGC 2x2. Comes in a nice box. And I've never had a good 2x2. I only used the East Sheen fake ones, like, I don't know. They're not too good and everyone knows it, but I didn't really care too much. So there are some spare magnets, springs and washers in there. And of course the 2x2 puzzle. Okay, now this is an exciting moment. So I love 2x2s, but I never had a good one and always got frustrated when I couldn't do T-perm in under 2 seconds even. So let's see what this feels like. I guess I'll have to adjust the tensioning a little bit. I like the puzzles a bit more tight, but I think I can totally work with that. You feel the magnetic strength quite a lot actually, so it snaps into place pretty hard, but I like that. So I'm not used to solving 2x2, but with this cube I'm sure I'm going to get into it a little bit more. So for the 2x2 Speedcube, the MGC. Then for the 3x3 I decided to treat myself with the GAN 354 V2M. I know that this doesn't come with any accessories, but I decided to go for it anyways. So in here we just have the F2L guide and a little bag to put the cube in. And of course the puzzle itself. Just so you know, I also ordered a 356M that has the same tightening spring mechanism, so I can use the nuts that come with the other cube. In here are purple nuts. Let's see if I can open it. And this has two tensions, 0.6 and 0.8, or completely disassembled. So let's see how this feels like. And excuse me please for only doing T-perms all the time. It's just a Cuba thing. I'm sure you know that. So this feels amazing. I thought that the purple ones would be too loose for me, but not at all. I really like this. And I think that's the first cube I ever tried where you can do the sexy J-perm without locking up 12 times during the turns. So this is super exciting for me. I will play for hours and hours today with the GAN 354M V2M. It also comes in a nice clear packaging. So let's go for the 4x4 now. This is the Wushue Mini M, if that's how it's pronounced. I'm not actually sure. So in there is just a puzzle. And let's see what this feels like. I had a good 4x4 before already, or well, the cheapest magnetic 4x4 that exists. But I got some good results with it, I think, and didn't have much to complain. But I still tried to make it better by pouring sand into it to roughen up all of the surfaces or to smoothen them out a little bit more. So that didn't go too well, but you're going to see a video of that. So I really like the weight of the puzzle. It's totally gooey and looped, but that's fine with me. And I like the rough, not rough, but how do I explain it? The resistance while turning. I really like that. And it seems that the inner magnets are a little bit stronger maybe. But yeah, that is going to work out pretty well too after I broke it in a little bit. So yeah, that puzzle seems to be pretty good. And let's go for the 5x5 now. I've never in my life owned a good 5x5. I had a V-Cube 5 back then, and I also have the, I think, Sangso Legend one, but that's not the best 5x5 out there. So let's see how this one feels. Same nice packaging as the 2x2. So here are some accessories. I would assume some screws and magnets and springs, and not some washers and springs and magnets like that, and also a tool, and of course the puzzle itself. So I've tried out some 5x5s in the past and I really liked them, but I never really got around to I never got really into it. But I think I enjoy solving 5x5 a lot, so I thought I should get that. Now that is super fast. Wow. I think with a little bit more accurate turning, this is going to work out really well. And as you can see, I went for stickerless puzzles all the way. Usually, or back in the day, I only had sticker puzzles because stickerless just didn't exist yet. But I've come to like the stickerless puzzles more now somehow. That's really amazing. I love all of the cubes. I think the 4x4 is probably the one that needs the most breaking in. And I'm really surprised that the 3x3 isn't too loose and I can still turn quite accurately, let's say. So the special thing about the 354 is that the magnets are not interchangeable, so you are stuck with these magnet settings. But I don't think that's too much of a problem because I like the magnets this way. And if you have magnets at all, it's a good thing. It doesn't have to be the super strongest ones. And for the core, the adjustment thing for the 356M will fit perfectly in there too. So I will experiment with the tensions a little bit. So how about some solves for 2, 3, 4 and 5 now? I will probably speed the solves up quite a bit, especially for the 5x5. But I hope you still enjoy them. So thank you very much for watching and let's switch over to the solves. Okay, let's take this one for the video then. thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you around for the next video. Take care.